People have asked some wild questions about Jeffrey Epstein, but one of the strangest theories online isn't about money, politics, or power. It's this: was Jeffrey Epstein not human? It sounds ridiculous, and to be clear right up front, there is no evidence he was an alien. But the reason this theory exists says a lot about how strange his story actually was. Let's start with the obvious. Jeffrey Epstein appeared out of nowhere. No clear explanation of how he got rich. No transparent business model. No obvious source of his wealth. Yet somehow, he moved effortlessly among billionaires, politicians, scientists, and royalty. People noticed that. He didn't just know powerful people. He seemed immune to consequences for years. Charges disappeared. Connections protected him. Stories didn't add up. And when something doesn't make sense, the internet looks for explanations. That's where the alien theory starts. Some people online point to how Epstein spoke, calm, controlled, almost detached. Others point to his interests. He funded cutting-edge science, genetics, artificial intelligence, human enhancement. He held private meetings with top researchers, conversations that were never fully explained. To conspiracy-minded people, that raised a question: why would a mysterious financier be so interested in the future of humanity? Another detail people fixate on is his lifestyle: private islands, restricted access, extreme secrecy. Some even claim his island functioned like a closed system, isolated, monitored, and off-limits. Again, none of this proves anything unusual, but it feeds the myth. Then there's the biggest factor of all. When Epstein died, the story ended abruptly. No full trial, no complete testimony, no public reckoning, just silence. And when someone surrounded by secrets leaves without answers, the story doesn't stop, it mutates. The alien theory isn't really about believing Epstein was extraterrestrial. It's about people trying to explain something that feels inhuman. How someone can operate above the law, how systems failed so completely, how much remains hidden. Turning him into something not human is a way of distancing the horror, because if he was just a man, then humans allowed all of this to happen. So was Jeffrey Epstein an alien? No. There's zero evidence of that. But the fact that people even ask the question shows how unreal his story feels, and how uncomfortable it is to accept that this wasn't science fiction. It was real. And the truth is far more disturbing than any alien theory, because when it comes to how he operated, who protected him, and what we still don't know, we will never know.